afternoon. My name is Ishan, and I'm here with my athlete.
Good afternoon. My name is Zain Ahmed. I am a fast bowler. So I am here with this Ishan to discuss about the issue, which is that I am losing my pace day by day because of I feel the miscommunication and neuromuscular coordination. I think so. There is a problem with my hand and my leg when I used to go with the bowling. So I feel discomfort because of that I am losing pain and it's getting worse day by day. So I am here today here to discuss about this issue.
So very well, Zain is a right-arm fast bowler, and bit history indicates that during the right-arm fast bowling, your left leg collaborates, and there is a very rhythmical movement of the left leg goes first, and then you will rotate your arms. So it's a very dynamic movement of fast bowling. So we will try to align them and discuss about that, and that often affects your speed as well. Am I right? Yeah. So, how long you want to consider the time you want to finish and you want to achieve that goal?
Yeah, as I said, I am a fast bowler and a cricketer, so I want to regain my full pace. So can you please give me the approximate timeline or time frame? So
That sounds
yeah.
great. So, if what if I will divide the full session or full plan into the 4 weeks?
Yeah, that's good.
That's great.
Yeah.
So I will discuss the 4 weeks plan in the rest of some times. That how often a week, how many days you want to go for the gym training session?
Yeah, I think 4 days in a week. The first 4 days, Monday to Thursday.
Yeah, what time do you prefer?
Uh, Early morning.
Early morning
Yeah.
AMs. So yeah, the Zan is more interested to go for the AM in the first 4 days of the week. So what it's just my opinion for you. How will you consider them? So first 4 weeks we will divide that. First week we'll go for your baseline checking of your shoulder, arm, and overall body strength.
I,
Where second week we'll go for the your shoulder core and back stability and strength, and third goes with the resistance training, and fourth for the overall assessment of your body, where we will implement them. And in the first week we will go just like the same. We will check your basic testing, go for a basic warm up, and try to check your drills, how often they are affected. So that's how we will try to make your plan achievable. In the fourth day, we will try to implement a different warm up and training plan that either you will consider you have done before. So first 3 day, I will try to implement my plan, and the fourth day would be the one plan that you want to go.
yeah, yeah, good,
That
that's
sounds
good.
good.
Yeah.
So, so is there anything special you want to consider?
Yeah, nothing special, but I am a bit worried about this issue.
So
So,
that no,
yeah.
it's a very common issues with the athletes. So power drilling and proper recovery and rest period and warm up sessions and proper aligning and basic drills makes your body align with that. So I will also try to upload a basic drills sessions in the link, and try to write in the description. So
Or
thank.
I have a question.
Mhm.
Any diet plan for this?
So diet plan, yeah, is one a very important factor that consider. So
Yeah,
usually
before the session and after the session.
before the session and after the session. So if I will consider your session just like before gym and after gym, we will consider it before game and after game. So I will consider before going to game, you will need to get some carbs, good carbs just like dates. Go for the oats and the milk is the best breakfast for you before going to the game. And during the game, you need proper hydration with some electrolytes. And after games, you get some extra proteins to get your muscles that you have. So these are the basic things that makes your body and that level in the game. So yeah, obviously in your warm up and training sessions, there will be a different scenario. So that's it.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
Thank
that's it.
you.
Thank you. That's it.